Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor John Bradley. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Samwell Tarly, Samwell Tarly, Sam, well, Tar, Lee, Samwell Tarly. He is a beloved character in Game of Thrones, known for his intelligence, kindness, and bravery. He plays a crucial role in uncovering important information about the White Walkers. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Samwell Tarly, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.